The year 2026 has brought us an exciting new chapter in the world of scooters, and Honda is right at the center of it with the brand new Honda Zoomer Eco. This little machine is designed to do something very important in today's world: save fuel, reduce emissions, and still deliver that fun and practical riding experience that people have always loved about scooters. The Honda Zoomer Eco 2026 isn't just another two-wheeler. It's Honda's message to riders in America and around the world that you can ride smarter, ride cheaper, and still enjoy yourself on every trip. When you first look at the Honda Zoomer Eco, it has that minimalist, open-frame style that made the original Zoomer or Ruckus famous years ago. The rugged urban look is still there, but it feels fresh and modern for 2026. The exposed tubular frame gives it a tough street character, while the eco-focused details add a whole new personality. It's slim, light, and designed for easy maneuverability, whether you're cutting through downtown traffic or cruising quietly in the suburbs. Honda has kept the scooter playful, but now with an environmentally friendly soul. The heart of the Honda Zoomer Eco 2026 is its new engine technology. Honda has taken a small capacity engine and optimized it with fuel-saving systems that make it incredibly efficient. Riders today are worried about rising gas prices, and the Eco responds directly to that concern. It's tuned to stretch every single drop of fuel, delivering mileage numbers that beat nearly anything else in the scooter category. While most small scooters already do well at the pump, the Zoomer Eco is designed to set a new benchmark. Whether you're commuting daily or running quick errands, you can ride for days on end before you even think about refueling. But Honda hasn't stopped at fuel economy alone. The engine is built with low-emissions technology, aligning with America's stricter environmental standards coming into place by 2026. That means this scooter not only saves you money but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. For young riders, city commuters, and eco-conscious individuals, this is more than just a scooter. It's a statement that riding green can still be cool. When it comes to performance, the Honda Zoomer Eco is not about raw speed or adrenaline. It's about smooth, reliable, and easy mobility. The scooter accelerates gently but confidently, giving you the perfect balance for city riding. The lightweight design makes it incredibly agile, perfect for weaving through cars in traffic jams or slipping into tight parking spots that bigger motorcycles could never fit into. For new riders, the Eco is approachable and unintimidating, while experienced riders will appreciate its simple practicality. The suspension system is tuned for comfort on America's diverse roads. Whether you're on smooth city streets, rougher suburban patches, or even light gravel alleys, the scooter absorbs bumps gracefully. The wide tires and low stance provide stability, which makes the Zoomer Eco feel secure even for beginner riders. Honda's reputation for reliability shines through, and the scooter feels built to last many years with minimal maintenance. Technology is also a big part of the new 2026 model. The dashboard has been upgraded to a fully digital display, giving you clear information about your speed, fuel levels, battery voltage, and trip details. Honda even added an eco riding indicator, encouraging you to ride in the most fuel-efficient way possible. It's a subtle touch, but it reinforces the scooter's mission of being a true fuel saver. There's also a USB charging port, so you can keep your smartphone powered up while you ride. For today's connected lifestyle, that's a big plus. Practicality has always been at the core of scooters, and the Zoomer Eco keeps that tradition alive. Even though it has a slim, open frame, Honda has managed to integrate useful storage solutions. There's space for a small bag or daily essentials under the seat, hooks for carrying grocery bags, and optional accessories that expand storage further. For students, delivery riders, or anyone who wants a daily commuter, this makes the Zoomer Eco more than just a stylish ride. It becomes part of your daily lifestyle. Styling is another area where the 2026 Eco stands out. Honda has gone for a futuristic yet rugged look. It's not overly flashy, but it feels modern, minimalistic, and full of personality. The LED headlights are brighter, sharper, and more efficient than older models, and the taillights are equally stylish. Riders can choose from eco-inspired colors like matte green, clean white, or stealth black, each designed to reflect the Zoomer's urban and environmentally responsible image. You can tell right away that this is a scooter for the new generation, stylish enough for younger riders but practical enough for anyone. One of the biggest advantages of the Honda Zoomer Eco 2026 is cost. In an era when cars and motorcycles are becoming more expensive, this scooter is a breath of fresh air. It's affordable to buy, cheap to maintain, and extremely light on fuel consumption. Honda's engineering ensures durability, so you won't be spending money on constant repairs. For families looking for a secondary vehicle, for students looking for their first ride, or for workers who need reliable daily transport, the Eco is a smart investment. Let's talk about the riding experience itself. On the road, the Zoomer Eco feels friendly, nimble, and fun. You don't have to worry about gear changes, just twist the throttle and go. That simplicity is what makes scooters like this so accessible. It's quiet, smooth, and doesn't demand much from the rider. But at the same time, it has just enough personality to keep the ride from ever feeling boring. It's the kind of scooter you'll look forward to riding every day, not just something you use when you have no other option. Honda is also positioning the Zoomer Eco as a scooter that supports America's growing green movement. Cities are moving toward cleaner transportation, and scooters like this will play a role in reducing traffic congestion and pollution. For young professionals, delivery services, and even city governments, the Eco is a symbol of practical progress. It represents the shift toward mobility solutions that work for people and for the planet. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The 2026 Eco comes with front and rear disc brakes with combined braking technology, giving the rider confidence when stopping quickly in traffic. The LED lights not only look great but also improve visibility. Honda has made sure that while this scooter is budget-friendly, it still carries the quality and safety that the brand is known for around the world. At the end of the day, the Honda Zoomer Eco 2026 is more than just a scooter. It's an answer to modern problems. Rising fuel costs, environmental concerns, busy city lifestyles, all of these challenges demand smarter transportation. The Eco doesn't try to be a motorcycle replacement or a flashy sports scooter. Instead, it embraces its role as a simple, affordable, and fuel-saving companion for everyday life. And that's exactly why it will win the hearts of riders across America. If you're looking for a scooter that's light on your wallet, easy to ride, stylish in its own unique way, and environmentally responsible, the Honda Zoomer Eco 2026 is built for you. Honda has once again proven that innovation isn't always about going bigger, faster, or louder. Sometimes, it's about being smarter, cleaner, and more thoughtful, and that's what makes the Zoomer Eco a standout in 2026. So, the next time you think about a scooter that truly delivers on its promise of saving fuel while still giving you a fun, practical, and stylish ride, remember the Honda Zoomer Eco 2026. It's not just the scooter you need for today, it's the scooter that's built for the future.